guys, I'm literally super excited to open this one. This is from Yescare and this is 18-inch ring light. I was literally looking for this big light. I was having the smaller one, but it was not giving me proper light, so I have purchased this one and this is really amazing. I am going to open it in front of you. It is kind of unboxing sort of video and it is very quick, and I'm not a very technical person, guys. I can't explain you technically, but I can explain you what I like about this ring light, what I like about this ring light. So I'm gonna talk about all those things, so let's get started. This is very important, guys. I've already sanitized it, but I'm really a very scary person, so this is for my safety, for my mind. So what you get inside this is stand. You will get the stand, okay, and the important one. Oh wow. Okay. So I got this bag also. Okay, this is a nice bag. So this is not very heavy. If you want to take it with you, it is very easy to carry this ring light because this is very you can say lightweight, and yeah, this is nice, and the bag is really doing great work. I don't know about this one. This is quite heavy, so I think you can't take it with you. This is quite heavy, but ring light you can take it anywhere with this bag. This is also very nice that if you are shifting from one place to another place, and this will how you can protect. Oh my god, this is my ring light. So what I got in this one, this is okay, these are cords and adapter, I think. Okay, yes, and this is for my phone, so that I can connect my phone with this thing. I got this TikTok thing so that I can connect with this one with my phone or camera, so that I can easily use it. It's kind of Bluetooth. Okay, and finally I got this one. So this is for camera. If you want to connect your camera with the ring light, this will work, and this is going to help you to connect your camera. So guys, rest of thing will done by my husband, because right now I can't set up all these things. This is quite heavy. I can hurt myself. Hey guys, so finally I have fixed it, and you can see this is my ring light, and I've also fixed my camera, and this is the minimum light of this ring, and literally it's working great, and I have fixed. I will let you know what it has. Please ignore the messy areas. I have my tissue paper over there and my rug, so ignore that thing. So yeah, it took me like 5 minutes. I was literally scared, like not exactly scared, like I was feeling that I am not able to make it fix it, but I did by my own, and I used this booklet, and this is very nice. And here also I got this warranty sort of thing. If you are not happy, you are feel free to email us, and they will change it or make it perfect, whatever it is. So it has 30-day replacement, 30 days free return shipping, 1-year warranty, VIP exclusive discount, I don't know what it is. So yeah, and also I got this thing for mobile. If you want to make videos from mobile, you can use it for your Insta. And I got this Bluetooth thing so that you can operate your camera or your phone with this thing, this remote sort of thing. And I also got this adapter inside the bag. तो बस मेरी तरफ से बस इतना ही. मैं आपसे मिलती हूँ अपने नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. टिल देन बाय, टेक केयर.